The following video will show you how easy and smooth it is to polish a car door with the OptiForce FT control function. For any polishing or deburring task, it is very important to keep the predefined force value constant. This task can be achieved with our advanced force-torque control functions. Let's create a program within minutes. Create a home position. The robot will start the movement from this defined point. Create a start waypoint. This is the position where the polishing will start. Set this waypoint close to the surface. Zero the sensor. Create FT control force mode and set the specific values. Force, torque, gain values, and set the coordinate system to tool. Insert an FT move inside FT control. This will be the force-controlled movement. Add an FT path inside the FT move. With this, we can achieve constant speed under force mode during a specific recorded path. You can create a new path, or you can select previous path trajectories with specific IDs that you recorded earlier. This makes you able to choose different trajectories for the same program node. Start the program. With this unique OptiForce force-torque control function, you can create a program easily where the robot will adapt to a specific surface, keeping constant speed under force mode. Check out an example program at optiforce.com under the